Hello everyone. In this video we have been given the fraction x to the power 6 plus a to the power 2 times x to the power 3 times y all over x to the power 6 minus a to the power 4 times y to the power 2. We are to reduce this fraction to 8 lowest terms. So now let's get started. As you can see, we have x to the power 6 over here and then x to the power 3 over here. So this means that we can factor x to the power 3 out. So we have x to the power 3 into x to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 times y all over. As you can see, we have x to the power 6 over here, but there's no x over here. So this means that we can factor x out. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to manipulate this so that we can do cancellation. So I'll rewrite this x to the power 6 as x to the power 3 all to the power 2. Then I'll bring my minus sign. Then watch something here. This a to the power 4 times y to the power 2 is the same as a to the power 2 all to the power 2 times y to the power 2. Since the powers are the same, this could also be written as a to the power 2 times y all to the power 2. So in place of this one, I'll put this over there. So we have a to the power 2 times y all to the power 2. So you notice that we have difference of 2 squared over here. So if you have a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2, this is the same as a plus b, then a minus b. So I'll use this idea to expand this. So what I'll do first is that I'll copy down the numerator. So we have x to the power 3 into x to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 times y all over. Now I will expand this using this idea, difference of 2 squares. So we have x to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 times y. And I'll put this one into bracket. Then I'll open a bracket again. Then a to x to the power 3 minus a to the power 2 times y. Right. So straight away you can see that this x to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 times y will take care of this one. So we have x to the power 3 over x to the power 3 minus a to the power 2 times y. So guys, this is our final answer, x to the power 3 all over x to the power 3 minus a to the power 2 times y. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.